to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Clever Fox premium planner for you, and I'm so excited. This has just arrived today, so let's get straight into it. This planner came so well packaged. I was a bit skeptical about the corners of the boxes being knocked, but it came really well packaged in a lovely plastic sleeve as well, and it is an absolutely gorgeous box that it comes in. So normally with my planners, I'm a Filofax girl through and through. This is the planner I usually use for my personal planning, and then for work I use a separate planner. I use the Filofax notebook, and I use this for taking notes in meetings. I use this for taking notes in training, and then I use this gorgeous planner from Caroline Gardner for planning my work day to day. So it's got different sections for days of the week there, and I use that. Now, I cannot believe that I'm saying this, but I wanted something to combine both work and personal planning, because what's happening is that I'm very precious with my Filofax personal, but I wanted something book bound that I could be a bit less precious with, but still look lovely, to combine both. So when I'm working, I can still see my personal to-dos as a reminder to make sure I get them done. And also I just wanted to see overall how busy I was getting as a collective, because when I separated them, again, I couldn't clearly see that. So I'm hoping that using this, I'll be able to see that. So the planner comes really well packaged in a plastic sleeve, and it comes in this box, which I don't know what it is about packaging, but I just love good packaging, and this is just so gorgeous. I'm definitely going to keep my supplies for this planner in this box. So when you first open up the box, it looks like this. So this planner is very much a goal-orientated planner, and it talks you through here on the inside cover how it's supposed to work in terms of your vision and setting your goals. The planner comes with this fantastic little book that talks you through how to use the planner. It's got a bit of an introduction, and then it talks you through different sections like your life vision, mission statements, gratitude and affirmations, and it just takes you through the whole lot with some examples filled in, which is a brilliant guide to have. I love having little things like this that come in planners. I mean, you've got their vision board, goal setting pages. I'll look through that later when I sit down to start using this planner. So the planner itself is again really well packaged. It comes in another plastic sleeve, and you just pull up on this ribbon and it pops out. The reason why I went for a premium planner, so you can get a Clever Fox planner that is a regular, but I wanted the premium because of this colour. You can't get this colour in regular, and also because of these stickers. Now, I don't know what's happened to me recently, but I've become obsessed with stickers. You get 6 A5 sheets here, and you've got so many. You've got different categories like workouts, food, travel. You've got another sheet with some goals orientated quotes on there. You've got some blanks, which I love using. They look so smart in your planner. And then you've got some fun ones with bits of food, going out, travel. You even got the months of the year on there. And they've got this gorgeous rose gold foiling detail, which is really nice. Rose gold as well, it's something I've not really used much in my planners. It's either gold or silver. So I'm looking forward to using these, but just look how gorgeous they are, and you get a really good amount to use here. I think they've really been thoughtful in the stickers that they include in this set. You've even got ones for shopping in here, ones to highlight important notes, and these I love these page flag ones. They are so pretty. So into the actual planner itself, it's a lovely size. It is A5, and I love the thickness of this planner. It feels really nice and sturdy in your hand, which feels like good quality. And the texture of it is a hardcover, but it's got a really soft touch, which is really nice. I mean, it feels so lovely, and looks like it'll be easy to care for. It's sort of like a mix between sort of suede leather, I guess, but it feels lovely, and it's got a really nice size pen loop. So the actual planner itself, I just wanted to check that it sits flat, and it does, which is a complete bonus. And the reason why it does sit flat is because the hinge at the top where it is separates, so it allows it to open flat, which is really nice, and it opens very smoothly. It just has such a lovely feel, this planner. It really is gorgeous. So inside the actual planner, the pages are really nice and thick. I've heard really good things about the thickness of the pages. In here you've just got some space to pop your name and your personal details in case this ever goes missing. Then the first couple of pages are titled "What is the vision for the life I want? What is my purpose?" Next page you have what you're grateful for, gratitude and affirmations, skills to learn. Then you've got a vision board here. Very much looking forward to using that. Then you've got goals section, and I really like this because it gives you top 3 goals to focus on. You can end up having a lot of goals in life, and I think this is really good just to keep you a bit more focused. And then you've got 3 monthly goals and space for a mind map. And then you go onto your monthly pages. So this planner is undated, so it means that you can use it at any point in the year for as long or as little as you like, which is a really good bonus. And then again in the monthly sections, which I love that this has, it's got a monthly review, and I love this wheel here that allows you to assess different areas of life and compartmentalizes them. If you've seen my planner setup video, you know that this is something I do in my planner setup by compartmentalizing different areas of life. It just helps me stay a bit more focused and clear. There's just so much to use here. It's got questions: how do you feel about your progress, what you could have changed, what you're looking forward to next month. It's just such a very good and mindful planner, and gives you extra things to think about. So you get pages like this every month, as you can see, for 12 months, of course. And every 3 months you have your 3 monthly goals and a mind map. Then you get into your weekly sections, and I'm in love with the layout of this. So in one page you have your days of the week, space for Saturday and Sunday, and then on the other side it's got this week's goals, this week's priorities, space for maybe some doodling, and then it's got personal to-do lists, which is perfect. So it means in my week's priorities I can put things for work, and then I can put my personal to-do list in there, so that while I'm working and looking through this diary I can still see that as a reminder. And then it's got skills and habit tracker, this week's wins, and how I'll improve next week. Absolutely love that. I think it's going to be perfect to use for work and personal at the same time. And then you've got your lovely 3 ribbons here, so you can divide between each section of the planner where you want to be able to flip through to quickly. So as I said, with this planner you get a year's worth, so there's a decent amount of pages. And then if you flick through to the end, so that's all of your weeklies, through to the end, and you have some dotted paper for bullet journaling, and look at how many sheets you get. You get absolutely loads. So you've got space for your weekly plan, and then you've got space for bullet journaling. So I'm going to think about how I might use this. I don't know if I want to start doing too much bullet journaling because I don't tend to have time, but I'll see what I use those pages for. And then in the back you've got a pocket here, and then the sort of inner pocket sleeve is lined with silk, which is quite nice. So what I might use this pocket for is to keep the stickers in. Let's see if they actually fit in there. So I think the stickers, they got in. I think they need a little bit of wiggling around, or maybe trimming down for them to fit in. I think it's a bit of a shame that they didn't make the set of stickers easier to fit in the back. I mean, you can see at the bottom there, they're sort of hitting on the page, and I definitely don't want to crease them or fold them over. So I'll probably trim them down to get them to fit in there, and that way I've got everything just nicely compact in that planner, easy to access, quick to use. So overall, first impressions, really pleased with this planner, and love the stickers, love the box it comes in. I think the premium title, I think, definitely does live up to its name. It is a very nice planner. So while I was on Amazon, I also ordered some pens to go along with it. These three I got are the Zebra Classic Rose Gold to go with the Rose Gold Fox on the front. They're a little bit more on the pink side of Rose Gold, but they still look really nice and they look like they'll fit really nicely in the pen loop. So these pens look really pretty and really like the colour. They probably go more, like I said, with the stickers rather than the fox on the front. But yeah, it still looks very smart. I never have anything bad to say about zebra pens. I use them all the time and some of them are my favourites. So what I might do is maybe on Instagram give a little review of how they hold up. But it fits really nicely into the Foxy Vicks and looks really smart. I also picked up this set of 6 pens, and these are the Unipin fine line pens, and they come in 6 different thicknesses, and I've used these before for lettering and I loved them. They work really, really well. So I thought I'd get some of these to do some bullet journaling and also potentially to use in this planner as well. They write really nicely, and I don't know if you can see, but they've got a window in each of the pens so that you can see the thickness rather than trying to look at the size. But I really, really like these pens. They work really well and they lasted really well. I've gotten this set of 6 again to use, and I might actually use these with this planner. I'm yet to decide. But all in all, I'm so pleased with this planner and looking forward to getting started using it. Please do let me know in the comments below your thoughts and if you're thinking of getting this planner at all. And also do let me know if you've got any questions about it and I'll happily answer those for you. Thank you so much for watching. You're always welcome. Do come back for more planner videos. Make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care.